Welcome back, everybody. I was scrolling through random pictures on pixabay.com this morning, looking for a little inspiration when I found this cool AI-generated image of a pig with sunglasses. I recalled the story about the three little pigs and that very hungry and mean wolf who ate the two lazy ones. So I thought I would show you how to create the wolf's reflection in the third little piggy's glasses just moments before he slammed the door of his nice brick house. So here we go. I've already started by using the pen tool found on the left toolbar to trace an outline around the left lens of the pig's glasses. I'm going to click around the edge several times until I close the selection. And then I'll select the little grey triangle at the bottom of the pen tool to change it to the node tool. Then I'll drag a box around all the nodes to select them all. Next, I'll go to the top bar and click on the smooth icon to smooth the curve out. That gave me a nice smooth curve around the lens, except for in this one spot. But I can easily fix it. Now, I'll switch back to the pen tool and then click on the selection button at the top. Notice I now have the little marching ants around the lens. With the pig layer selected, I'll click Command or Control-C and then Command or Control-V to copy and paste a duplicate lens into a new layer. Next, I'll do the exact same thing for the other lens. First, I'll trace an outline of the lens with the pen tool. Second, I'll change it to the node tool and draw an outline. Third, I'll change it back to the pen tool and click Selection. And finally, I'll copy and paste a new lens layer. Okay, now I'll hide the pig and lenses for now by clicking on the little dots on the right side of each layer. And I'll unhide this mean old wolf. To remove the wolf from its background, I'll use the selection brush tool from the left-hand toolbar and paint over the wolf. To deselect this little area, just click and hold Option or Alt while painting. Now that the wolf is selected, I'll click on Refine from the top toolbar. I missed a spot on the wolf's nose, so I'll click the foreground button and clean that up. Then, with the matte button selected, I'll go around the edges to make sure the fine hair is selected. Finally, I'll make sure my output is to a new layer and click Apply to remove the wolf. So, I've turned the other layers back on and resized my wolf a bit. I'll position it over the right lens. Then, I'll click Command or Control-J to duplicate the wolf and drag the copy over the left lens. To embed the wolf image onto the lens image, I'll simply drag the wolf layer and drop it onto the left lens layer. Then, I'll lower the opacity down to about 48 or 50%. That looks nice. I'll do the same thing for the right lens. I'm going to work on this a bit more because I can see a straight edge at the bottom of the wolf image. This doesn't look natural, so I'll fix this by making the wolf image a bit bigger. I'm going to select the drop down in the layer for the left eye and click on the wolf image to select it. Then I'll drag the corner to make it bigger and move it back into place. I made the left image about 990 pixels wide, so I'll do the same for the right image. While I'm at it, I'll lower the opacity a bit more. Alright, that's about it for today. If you liked today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. I won't huff and puff and blow your house down if you don't, but it sure helps inspire me to make more videos.